Good day everyone. I am Nelvin Bacalso, and for the continuation, let's proceed to the distinctiveness of the adult cognition. So, first and foremost, let me ask you a question. So, if you needed surgery, would you rather go to a middle aged doctor or one who is considerably older or younger? Why? And why not? For me, kung ako ang tatanungin, I'd rather go to a considerably older doctor or sabihin natin middle-aged doctor din kasi they have a great yung madami na good silang napagdaanan or naranasan. So, they are all expert sa field na yon, and for me, mas nag-grow ang tiwala ko pag expert ang doktor. So, depende sa inyo. So let's proceed to the role of expertise. So, specialized knowledge expertise, a form of crystallized intelligence that is related to the process of encapsulation. So, ano nga ba ang encapsulation? So, encapsulation, in Hoyer's terminology, is the process that allows expertise compensate for declines in information processing ability by bundling relevant knowledge together. If you needed surgery, so why would you rather go to a middle-aged doctor or one who is considerably older or younger? So it explains that why mature adults or experts show increasing competence in solving problems in their chosen fields. This is largely due to their specialized knowledge or expertise, which is a form of crystallized intelligence. So, so dito tayo sa encapsulation. As adults gain experience in a specific field, their knowledge become encapsulated, which means their brain dedicates specific resources to handle specialized knowledge, making it easier to access and use. So, ibig sabihin parang may madami na silang stock knowledge about that thing or about that idea or about that specific field na meron sila. So, ang crystallized intelligence naman, this refers to the knowledge and skills that one accumulates over time. Unlike fluid intelligence, this involves the ability to think and reason abstractly. Crystallized intelligence is more about using learned knowledge and experience. So, dahil nga they are all experts, yung mga doctors na yon or tumanda na talaga sila sa field na ganon, madami na silang naranasang mga surgeries, mga different kinds of cases, which leads na magkaroon sila ng crystallized intelligence na na-accumulate nila over time or for a long period of time na andun sila sa field na yon, which make them experts sa field na yon. Let us have a real-life example. So, for example, di ba, yung mga resident or tinatawag natin novices. Di ba, they are all still learning pa naman even though they are all doctors na, I think. They are all still learning kasi resident doctor pa lang sila. So, hindi pa sila masyadong prone sa mga surgeries or anything na magiging expert sila. Unlike sa mga expert talaga, which is yung doctors na doon na talaga tumanda sa hospital na yon or doon na talaga tumanda sa field na yon. Throughout the years na experience nila, halimbawa, ang isang resident doctor, ang binigyan sila ng ganitong case. So, sa kanila, mababaw lang ang explanation ng case na yon. But, unlike sa expert or sa doctors talaga na which is old na, they will tell you na may mas deeper pa na dahilan or they will dig more because hindi lang talaga yun yung cause ng sakit na yon, and may iba pa talaga na cause ang sakit na yon, which is which explains kung gaano sila ka-expert sa field na napili nila. So, why experts are more competent? Specialized knowledge experts have a deep understanding of their field, which allows them to quickly identify and solve problems. They can process new information more efficiently by referring to their extensive knowledge base. Experts often make decisions automatically and intuitively because their thought processes are based on years of experience. So, ganon. So, let's proceed to the integrative thought. So, integrative thought is an important feature of post-formal thought. Mature adults interpret what they read, see, or hear in terms of its meaning for them. Instead of accepting something of face value, they filter it through their life experiences and previous learning. So, integrative thought is a feature of post-formal thought which is well seated to the complex tasks and multiple roles of adults, especially midlife. So, the post-formal thought, this type of thinking is characterized by the ability to handle complex tasks and make decisions that involve balancing multiple roles and demands such as work and family. While integrative nature, mature adults interpret information by integrating it with their life experiences and previous learning. They don't just accept information at face value, they filter it through their own understanding and context. So, ang post-formal thought daw is a type of thinking which ginabalance nila ang multiple roles and demands such as work and family. So, ginabase nila kung ano lang yung nakikita nila, kung ano lang yung na-read nila, kung ano lang yung ganun God, yung mga nakita lang nila sa field nila. While ang integrative nature or ang integrative thought is ang isang adult is ginabase nila ang lahat ng bagay or sinasabi nila na ang mga bagay ay may mas deeper meaning pa or mas ginabase nila ang mga bagay-bagay sa mga naranasan nila or sa mga experiences nila or yung mga previous na na-learn nila sa buhay nila. So, bakit ang integrative thought daw is very important? Because adults use their life experiences to add depth and meaning to the information they encounter. This helps them understand and relate to complex situations better. So, para daw sa mga adults, integrative thought is very important because mas nagiging thorough pa ang explanations about that certain thing. Kasi, the more na mas malalim yung madami ang na-encounter nila sa life nila, mas nagiging thorough ang explanations nila sa mga bagay. Which leads na mas ma-feel nila na relate sila sa mga situation or yung mga situations na mabibigat na masyado. So, another is, integrative thought allows adults to solve problems more effectively by considering multiple perspectives and integrating various pieces of information. So, mas nakaka-integrate sila ng mga information because of their experiences. Mas nasosolve nila ang problem and mas may malaking probability na mas masolve nila ang certain problem. So, another is, mature adults can translate their knowledge and experiences into inspirational stories and advice that younger generations can use for guidance. So, because yung kinasabi good ng mga oldies na papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na kami. Like, ganun-ganun God. Kasi, sa kadami nga nila ng na-encounter or na-experience sa life nila, nagagamit nila yon as testimony or as a guidance para sa mga young adults katulad natin. Let's proceed